Hey everybody, this is Shubhendra from ToolJet, and in this tutorial we're gonna see how quickly we can deploy ToolJet on Heroku using one-click deploy. This is gonna be a quick one, so let's jump right on. Before you begin, make sure you sign up on Heroku.com. Let's open the GitHub repository. Now scroll down a little to find the Deploy to Heroku button in the Quick Start section of the README. You can also check out the detailed docs for deploying to Heroku in the deployment section of the docs. Let's go back and click on the button to start configuring the deployment. Here we go. As you can see, I'm already signed into my account, so it directly opens the configuration page. Let's give our app a name. And for the region, I'll keep the default as the United States. Let me mention that the one-click deployment will also create a free Postgres database. Now the final step, providing the configuration variables. The first one, logbox master key, that will be used to secure data source credentials. To generate a logbox master key, we will use OpenSSL for generating a 32-byte hexadecimal string. Let's open the terminal and enter the command. OpenSSL rand-hex 32. Here we go. Let's copy and paste it on Heroku. We'll leave the value for node n and node options to their default. Now for secret keybase, we'll need to do the same as we did for logbox master key, but for this one we'll be generating a 64-byte hexadecimal string. Let's do it. Go to the terminal and enter OpenSSL rand-hex 64. Copy the generated string and paste it on Heroku. For ToolJet host and server URL, we will enter the app name as the subdomain of Heroku. Now click on the Deploy App button to begin the deployment process. Now wait a couple of minutes for the build to finish. Awesome! The build was successful, and now we can either click on the Manage App to check the settings or click on the View to open the app. Let's view our app. Here we go. ToolJet is successfully deployed on Heroku. Let's sign in using the default username and password. Default username is dev@tooljet.io and the password is password. Now you can start building your applications. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Slack community or email us. Thanks for watching.